In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to bulk delete Facebook posts on a business page if you need to clean up older content, remove outdated promotions, or simply organize your page more efficiently. Facebook gives you a quick way to manage multiple posts from one place. In this walkthrough, I'll show you exactly where to go and how to move unwanted posts to the trash in just a few clicks. To begin, open your Facebook business interface and go to your page management area. From there, look for the content section and click on it. This is where Facebook stores and organizes the posts and other content associated with your business page. If you've never used this section before, think of it as the central hub for reviewing what has already been published. Once you're inside content, the next thing you'll want to do is narrow down what you're looking at. Use the filter option to change the date range. This is especially useful if your page has a large number of posts and you only want to delete content from a certain time period. For example, you might want to focus on old seasonal campaigns, expired event posts, or content from a previous year. Adjusting the date range first makes the cleanup process much faster and helps reduce the chance of deleting the wrong post by mistake. After filtering the list, go through the visible posts and click the box on the post you want to delete. If you're removing several posts, you can continue selecting each one from the filtered results. Take a moment here to double check your selections before moving forward, especially if some posts have similar captions or images. Being careful at this stage can save you time later. Once the posts are selected, click on Delete. This tells Facebook that you want to remove the chosen content from your page. You'll usually see a confirmation step after this, which is helpful because it gives you one last chance to review your action. Finally, click Move to Trash. This completes the process and sends those selected posts out of your published content view. If you're doing a larger content cleanup, you can repeat the same process by changing the date filter again, selecting another group of posts, clicking Delete, and then choosing Move to Trash. That's all it takes to bulk delete Facebook posts on a business page. As a final tip, it's a good idea to review the filtered list carefully each time before confirming deletion, so your page stays clean without losing anything you still want to keep.